Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers. Cheap College Park, local and long-distance movers near me. Relocating miles away isn't simple. However, the right moving company can certainly make it a lot simpler. We at 3 Movers provide the best professional moving services to help you move all the way to your final destination. Our movers are experts in planning and executing your move and have been equipped to face unexpected uncertainties along the way. Our services allow you to save time to focus on other priorities and formalities that need to be done timely. We offer everything from supplying packing materials for your things to delivering them safely to your new place. We ensure timely and damage-free delivery and will also compensate you if there is any damage or loss to your prized possessions. Even if you are moving in College Park, you still can't save yourself from the stress of moving places. Nonetheless, you do need to pack, unpack your things, or deal with heavy lifting and loading. Allow us to take over the complicated tasks and pack all your belongings, load them up in our truck, and help you move into your new space, all in just one day. So sit back and relax while we take care of everything for you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our College Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.